Hey guys, this is today we're going to be doing a tune-up on a ts400. It's not really much to it, but let's push this guy back here and pull this up. I'll put the new air filter and spark plug in the description below. Just kind of squeeze on that. This is a stihl tool that I use on all the stihl equipment. They're real handy to have. I'll put that in the description below for you as well. But, pop the spark plug out. So if you don't have the stihl tool, it's a 3/4 or a 19 millimeter. This is what size this is. It's a little dark. It's running a little rich. I bet that filter's clogged. Going to the filter section. Oh, dumping stuff everywhere. Unscrew it counterclockwise. We're going to go ahead and take T27 end on this stihl tool. And then there's 4. One there, one there, one there, and one there. Take all 4 of those out. This all comes out. The filter's inside here. And that bugger's got a little bit of debris on it, not bad. And there's another filter right in here. You just grab and pop out. Just pulls right out. I had it just tingling just a second ago now. There we go. So we're going to take air chuck, an air hose, and blow it all out. This isn't too bad, just blow out the dust. Should be something you do regularly, like every job. Blow that one out, blow that one out. Get blowing up here. You know, the side here. You get all it blowing out real good. Just keep going until there's no dust. You know, go to the top. You know, just keep going until there's no dust. You reassemble. This rubber piece goes up. It just sets right into place. Like that. Air filter goes back in here. Put it back on, and the 4 bolts to hold it in place. Brand new CJ8 spark plug. Put it in. I need 2 hands. I gotta push that out of the way. Filter cover back on. And then we got the orange spark plug cover goes back on, so it's got the little flat spots that slide behind those notches. And you push that in, push it down, that's it. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the filter plug in the description below. I'll put the stihl tool in the description below. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you.